Don't let a lack of Poké copyright coins stop you from catching them all. Today, we're showing you exactly how to redeem your Apple gift card in Poké Copyright GO for those much-needed Poké copyright balls, raid passes, or even incubators. First things first. Make sure that the Apple gift card is legitimate and hasn't been tampered with. This will prevent any issues during the redemption process. Let's add that gift card balance to your Apple ID. Open the App Store app on your iPhone or iPad. Now tap on your profile picture or icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Next, find and tap on Redeem Gift Card or Code. You might need to scroll down a little to find it. You'll see two options: use camera or enter code manually. If your gift card has a physical code, using the camera is the quickest way. Simply point your device's camera at the gift card code, and it will automatically scan it. Alternatively, you can tap enter code manually and carefully type in the code printed on the back of your gift card. Double check to make sure you've entered it correctly. Once you've entered the code, tap redeem. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the gift card balance has been successfully added to your Apple ID. Now, let's head over to Poké Copyright GO. Launch the app on your device. Tap the Poké Copyright ball icon at the bottom center of the screen. Then tap Shop. This will bring you to the in-game store where you can purchase Poké Copyright coins and other items. Choose the Poké Copyright coin bundle you want to purchase. When you tap on it, the Apple payment system will pop up using the balance from your Apple ID. Confirm the purchase and you're good to go. Now you're stocked up on Poké Copyright coins and ready to take on anything Poké Copyright GO throws your way. Happy catching!